In this question, you're asked to simplify the polynomial 4a squared plus 3b minus 7 plus 2b minus a squared. So it has two variables and you simplify it in the same way. So when we simplify a variable, we only want one term with each type of variable, whether it's a squared variable or a regular variable. So first of all, let's represent each of these terms using the tiles. So you can see I've got two sets of tiles for each variable. So these ones will represent the a variable, the ones with x, and these will represent the b. And of course our integers aren't attached to a variable, so we can just use the regular ones. So we'll start with 4a squared. So this represents a, so we need 4 of these. So I'm just going to move them over. And we might have it to overlap a little bit so we don't run out of room. And then 3b. So these represent our b, so this represents our b variable. So we need 3 of those. So let's put those down here. I've got some room. And then we need 7 negative integers. So we need 7 of these. So 1. Then we need 2 of our b variables. That's this one here. So we need 2 of these. And we need 1 negative a squared. So that means we need 1 of these. So now we can put our like tiles together. So the only ones that we have that are like is this one and these ones. So if we have 1 negative a squared and 1 positive a squared, we know that those will cancel each other out so that we have a 0 pair. So we can eliminate those two tiles. And what we're left with is 3a squared plus 5b minus 7. So let me just write that down. So we ended up, and we put them in order of degree. So we've got 3a squared plus 5b minus 7. Now, another way to think about this is just if you take your similar terms, 4a squared, negative a squared, so that's like minus 1a squared, and we just deal with the coefficient 4 minus 1 is going to be 3a squared. And then we look at this term, 3b and 2b, so 3 plus 2 is 5b. So that's how you would simplify this polynomial.